All right, I'm going to do number 5 on the exam 3 practice problems. This is from section 4.1, anti-differentiation, initial condition. More of the recent topics that we went over. Let's read this. Sun's Corporation finds that the rate at which it supplies facial masks with respect to price is given by the marginal supply function. So they're giving us the marginal supply function. That means if I want to find the supply function, then I just have to integrate this function, right? And it would be great if we get the initial condition to figure out that constant of integration plus C. So let's see, where X is the price per facial mask in dollars. Okay. A, find the supply function. Of course, they want you to find the supply function. I want you to find the supply function. S of X by integrating the marginal supply function. Let's do that. So that's going to be the rule of 0.75x squared plus 4x plus 10. That equals 0.75x to the third power divided by what? 3 plus 4x squared divided by 2 plus 10x plus c, right? And now let's see if they gave us some kind of clue so that we can figure out what c is. Let's see. Sun sells 200 masks when the price is $6 for facial mask. So, I guess the wording is kind of, maybe they should have said like Sun supply 200 masks when the price is $6 per facial mask. So let me go ahead and say that when X is equal to 6, because X stands for what? The price per facial mask. Then S of 6 was 200. If the mask were $6, they were able to supply or sell 200 facial masks. So I'm going to use that initial condition. And find what C is. Okay, so set 200 equals. If you divide 75 by 3, that's just a quarter x cubed. Plus this will be 2x squared plus 10x. Plus C. Whoopsie, I forgot to plug in the x value of 6. So let me do that. C. Oh yeah, why not? Let me just delete it all. All right, so 25, what to the third power? 6 to the third power. 2 times 6 squared, and then 10 times 6 plus C. And that should come out to be 200. And this is the initial condition I'm using, because that's what they gave me. And let's go ahead and figure out what C is now. 200 equals... let me go ahead and type this part into my calculator. When I created this problem, I try to make sure that C comes out to be a nice number. My phone's not recognizing my face. Okay, give me 1 second as I type this in, and you type it in too in case I make a mistake. 0.25 times 6 to the third power plus 2 times 6 squared plus 10 times 6. Uh-oh, hold on. I missed the plus sign. And when I typed that part in, I got 186. 186 plus C. So C equals 200 minus 186. I can't do basic arithmetics in my head. 200 minus 186 is what? 14. Okay, so C is 14, you guys. So we found A. A is, the supply function is S of X equals 0.25x squared plus 2 times x. No, I think I got the exponent wrong. 0.25x to the third power, 2x squared plus 10x. What's going on? Plus 14. So this is the supply function that we found. Okay. Now, that was part A. Now, what do we want for part A? Let's start B. use the answer to part A that we just found. Find the number of facial masks Suns can supply when the price is $12 for facial masks. So if I can charge people more for their mask, I should be able to supply more, I think. So let's see, x equals 12 this time. So all you're going to have to do is plug in 12 into the function, 0.25, 12 cubed, plus 2 times 12 squared, times 10 times 12, plus 14. So you do go ahead and type this into your calculator for me. And I'll do that too over here, 0.25, 12 cubed, plus 2 times 12 squared, plus 10 times 12, plus 14. And 14 was the constant that we found, right? It came up to be 854. So 854 watts. And you gotta be careful in this unit, right? With units in this section. So S of X, I think it's just, yeah, it's just a number of masks. Okay, so if I can charge people $12 per facial mask, I can supply 854 facial masks. Okay. Are you guys wearing yours? I bought some. I want to wear. Well, well, anyways, I will wait for your emails. Let me know which ones you want to see. But this one was number 5. I don't know if I included the answer to this one on the Google Doc, but I will go ahead and include the video link